Hi friends, welcome to today's video. This is gonna be my magic duo for creating the most flawless foundation look. I have been loving this foundation that I'm gonna share with you today for months. It is an incredible full coverage foundation, but I'm gonna make it dewy and radiant with another magic product. The two together, when I put them together weeks ago, I was just like, mine was blown. I can actually do a radiant, dewy complexion, even though I have oily skin and oily T-zone. And I would say that this kind of more sort of radiant glow is typically not what I go for when it comes to foundations, or at least my base complexion. And I'm pulling it off, and I'm gonna show you how I do it, so that you can do this as well at home with the same products or something very similar. There are certain key things that you have to look for if you have oily skin or combo skin. If you have dry skin, I think you will really love using that first product, that base product that I use in place of primer that really gives that beautiful glow. It's an affordable product, that first product, but my foundation is high-end, but it's incredible. It's worth every single penny, and I cannot wait to share with you the full look. So let's just go ahead and dive on in. So I've done my skin prep already. I'm gonna go in with my first product. This is going to be my primer. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I have the shade called medium. I also have the light version. Either one is great, but I like the medium because I'm a little bit more fair. This gives me a little bit more color, makes my face match the rest of my body. What I love about this is that it's a soft kind of sheen to the skin where it makes your skin look healthy, makes your skin look vibrant without visible shimmer, without seeing big pieces of glitter where it's too disco ball. It doesn't make you look like a tin man. It just makes the skin look so much better, and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna show you, I usually just kind of do a line with the product straight onto my face. I'm gonna show you half. So I'm gonna do this side here on my left side so you can see how pretty this makes the skin look. And it gives such a nice glow. And it doesn't feel sticky, doesn't feel heavy, which is perfect for someone with combination to oily skin, because you want something that's lightweight, that is going to give you glow without feeling like you just put something too heavy, too greasy, or emollient on the skin. This kind of melts right in, which is why I love this. And like I said before, when I created this combo together, it was just like, this is it. This is like what I'm gonna be doing every single day, and it has been. So I'm gonna use my fingers to get this around the nose and above my lip, and as you can see, I'm putting this all over my face. There aren't any no-go zones when it comes to this product for today's routine. That is the glow of this product from L'Oreal, and then this is just my skincare with nothing else on it, no shimmer, no radiance, and you can see it just gives you a little bit of something, so when the light hits your skin, it makes your skin look better, healthier, more vibrant, like you've done a really good skincare routine, and it just looks beautiful. And you can use this on your body as well. You can mix it into your skincare serums, your body lotions, your body serums. And actually, you know what? I have some left over. So I'm gonna do this on camera with you. I'm gonna put it on my shoulders because it's just gonna make your skin look so much better. I'm gonna take it down my décolleté. I like wearing these sort of camisoles around the house because I get hot, especially when I'm filming with all of these lights behind me, lights in front of me. It gets hot in here. So I'm gonna take a little bit and go around the décolleté, but this just gives such a pretty radiance. As you can see, this is the base of my complexion routine. So this is the product that I use in place of primer. And then we get to put the foundation on top. My foundation for today is gonna be the one that I've been loving for months. It's the Benefit Porefessional. This is a smoothing and blurring foundation with full coverage. This looks beautiful with a damp beauty blender or even a brush, which that's kind of the method I've been doing for many, many months, is using my BK Beauty brush to blend this in, but I'm using a damp beauty sponge today, the classic OG beauty blender. I'm gonna start with one pump on the back of my hand. That's the shade 7N Savvy, which it's a little light, just a hair too light, but we're gonna make it work because we can put bronzer and everything else on top. So I'm gonna spread that out with my finger so that I can get my sponge in there and kind of coat the bottom rounded side of it. And then I'm going to start bouncing this into the skin. And the method of using a full coverage foundation over this really does help with longevity. And as the day goes on and my skin starts to produce oil, it's not going to break down the foundation as quickly. Now, if I did this with something that was hydrating, luminous, glowy to start, this wouldn't really last me that long, especially in those months that we're going to get soon where the heat is going to start creeping up and we have better temperatures. We're going to be outside under the sunlight. Using something with radiance and hydration and glow really isn't going to be my absolute best application for longevity. So I'm gonna honestly keep using this all through the summer as well because this foundation wears so incredibly well. And I'm gonna show you with one pump on half of my face, and then I'm gonna show you a comparison so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is that full coverage foundation. It doesn't look heavy. It doesn't feel like I've put anything on. I feel like that damp beauty sponge really does help kind of blend this in and make it look really nice and beautiful and kind of melt it into the skin, where you don't really see a lot of heavy layers. There's no streaks from brushes. It just kind of makes it look more airbrushed. And there is that blurring finish to it. And it just looks, honestly, one of the best foundations that I've discovered. The best foundation that I discovered back in 2025. So here we have those two products together. And then just that lotion from L'Oreal, the Glotion here with the little bit of luminous finish to it. But you can see it doesn't look like it's shiny. It's not a Tin Man. It's not looking too much where I can't pull this off for the rest of the day. It really is such a beautiful combination of products. I'm literally obsessed with this. I don't know what Benefit has put into this product, but this has been like my top favorite. And I absolutely love these two together. It just makes such a beautiful look to the skin. And it wears so well. And if I spray some setting spray over the top, forget about it. I'm gonna have this on for 8+ hours without needing to babysit it. So if you have oily skin, try this out. A full coverage foundation with this product specifically. This has a very subtle kind of natural sheen to it. It's not too much, it's not too sparkly. That's the key. You don't wanna have a lot of sparkle to start because that can be hard to cover. So I'm gonna keep blending this in. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the whole finished look so you get the full picture because it's quite stunning. I am back now with the full face of makeup complete so that you can see all the products, get that full picture of what my skin looks like. That radiance and that glow is still coming through from that Glotion from L'Oreal, but I don't look greasy. I don't feel like I've got 10 pounds of makeup on. It looks soft, fresh, and natural, even though I did use a full coverage foundation. And you too can have the same look. If you follow this exact routine that I shared with you today, you're absolutely gonna love the results. Or you can step in what you already have in your collection that's similar to these products and try this out and let me know your thoughts if you do try this routine. I'm gonna link to everything down below. All the products that I'm using for the rest of the look, if you wanna know that, will also be in the description box. Thanks for being here and for watching. I hope you guys are doing well. I will see you in my next video. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.